Think about your favorite comfort food. Odds are it involves flour, water, and a little bit of biological magic. It's a universal language of warmth and nourishment. Whether it's a crusty sourdough or a soft tortilla, bread is the invisible thread stitching human history together across continents and through centuries of innovation. But why does the staff of life look so different across the globe? What forces shape the crust, the crumb, and the character of our daily bread? Let's explore.
Welcome to SciCuriousID, where curiosity meets science.
It all begins with the simplest of ingredients. Pure, fine flour, ground from the earth's bounty, waiting to be transformed by the baker's skillful touch and time. Observe the delicate texture, the foundation of every loaf. Each grain of wheat carries the potential for a masterpiece, refined through thousands of years of agriculture. It all starts with a microscopic explosion. Research from the American Society for Microbiology shows that yeast is the world's oldest industrial organism, a tiny powerhouse of life. When yeast eats sugars in the dough, it burps out carbon dioxide and ethanol. This is fermentation, a biological dance that breathes life and air into the dense mixture. Meanwhile, two proteins, gluten and gliadin, hook up to form gluten. This biological miracle creates the structural integrity that allows bread to hold its magnificent shape. This elastic net traps those gas bubbles, making the bread rise. Truly remarkable culinary engineering, occurring at a scale invisible to the naked eye, but felt in every bite. Without this structural chemistry, your morning toast would be a literal brick. Consider the incredible transformation from a heavy lump of dough to a light, airy loaf. The rhythmic motion of the baker's hands builds strength into the dough, aligning the proteins and preparing the structure for the final heat of the oven. Releasing the accumulated air, the baker prepares the dough for its final shape. Patience and precision are the key ingredients in this ancient, respected craft. So, why isn't all bread the same? Geography is the head chef. Every region on Earth has its own secret, shaped by the local climate, soil, and history. In San Francisco, the specific local strain Lactobacillus sanfranciscensis thrives in the cool, foggy air, giving their legendary sourdough that iconic, sharp tang. This unique microbiology is a product of the city's environment. The fog isn't just weather. It's a vital part of the bread's biological identity and flavor. In Ethiopia, the tiny grain teff is fermented for days to create injera, using a wild starter called ersho. It's a process that spans generations of tradition. It's not just a recipe. It's an edible map of local bacteria and heritage. Different climates and native grains mean completely different chemical and flavorful outcomes. Teff, an ancient grain with a unique nutritional profile, represents the heart of its culture. Its tiny size belies its immense impact on the local diet. The sourdough starter is a living organism, nurtured with care over time to create deep flavor and life. It is the soul of the bakery, unique to every baker. Now, let's talk about the smell. That irresistible fresh bread aroma comes from the Maillard reaction, a complex chemical process triggered by intense heat. As the oven hits 140 degrees Celsius, reactive sugars and amino acids do a chemical dance, creating hundreds of distinct flavor compounds that we know and love. This reaction creates that beautiful brown crust. It's the same science that makes a perfectly seared steak taste so savory, but bread does it with much more grace. According to Modernist Bread by Myhrvold, the crust is actually a highly engineered moisture barrier, protecting the soft, humid interior from the outside world. Behold the oven spring, the final expansion of the dough's hidden potential. It is the moment where biology and physics meet in a burst of culinary energy. Listen to the crunch, the definitive sound of a perfect moisture barrier at work. Inside, the crumb remains tender, a perfect contrast to the exterior's strength, fresh, warm, and full of biological magic. This is science you can taste, a testament to the power of tiny organisms and the human hands that guide them. Beyond the molecules, bread is our cultural DNA. It's been used as currency, a religious symbol, and a powerful tool for social and political revolution. From the flatbreads of the Fertile Crescent to the steamed buns of East Asia, we've been perfecting this science for over 14,000 years of human history. We didn't just invent bread. Bread helped us invent civilization itself. It allowed us to settle, to build communities, and to dream of a shared future. Every corner of the globe has its own masterpiece. Vibrant, unique, and deeply rooted in the local soil and the hands of the people who bake it. The artistry of the street vendor, perfecting a craft passed down through generations. A performance of skill and a celebration of flavor in the open air. Colorful and sweet, pan dulce is a celebration of community and tradition in every bite. It brings people together in moments of joy and connection. So, what's the holy grail of bread in your culture? Is it all about the satisfying crunch, or do you live for the soft, pillowy fluff? Tell us your favorites. Tell us about your favorite local loaf in the comments below. We want to hear the story of your culture's bread and why it matters to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious science and cinematic journeys. Join our curious community as we explore the world around us. Stay curious. Keep exploring the wonderful science of our world and never stop learning. See you in the next episode of SciCuriousID. The journey continues, one grain at a time. Thank you for watching this high-quality exploration of the science and beauty of bread. SciCuriousID. Stay curious. High-quality science, cinematic beauty. We'll see you next time. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate beauty of the crumb. Each pocket of air is a testament to yeast's power. It's a science perfected over thousands of years, turning simple ingredients into our most basic nourishment. From the fogs of the Pacific to the dry heat of the desert, yeast is everywhere, waiting to transform flour into an icon. Even the altitude plays a part in the fermentation process, affecting how the dough rises and the flavors develop. It's a global collaboration between humans, nature, and the microscopic world. Every loaf tells a story.
Thanks for watching SciCuriousID. Until next time.